Good morning, students. Now we are going to start the revision of our subject geography. In the syllabus of first term, our first chapter is map reading. Map reading means to know in detail about how to read the map. And map represents the earth, our earth on it. Dear students, our earth is a unique planet. It is the third planet from the sun and the only known planet where life exists. So, to know more about our earth, different sources are there. We are going to know in detail about our earth, the different geographical and non-geographical features of the earth in this chapter. What are the different sources that help us to know in detail about the earth? Are globe, map and map. First is globe. What is globe? A globe is an object representing the spherical shape of the earth with a map of the world printed on it. You have to learn the definitions of all the terms. So try to understand and learn it after it. What is globe? A globe is an object. It is an object representing the spherical shape of the earth. Spherical in a round shape or in the shape of a ball. A globe is an object representing the spherical shape of the earth with a map of the world on which the map of the world is printed. What's the definition is? Try to learn it. A globe is an object representing the spherical shape of the earth with a map of the world printed on it. Now, it is fixed on a stand. A globe is fixed on a stand which can be rotated and we can see any part of the earth at one time. If the part of the earth which is facing towards us, we can see only that part of the earth. Rest is as it is behind. When we rotate, when it moves, then we can see rest part of the earth. So the whole world is printed on it, but we can't see the whole world at a time. We have to see by rotating on it. It is the three-dimensional aspect of the earth. It is the 3D object and it represents the countries, states and different part of the earth on it. Is it clear? Next is the map. What is map? A map is a flat symbolic representation of the earth. Map is you all have seen map. What is map? So map is a flat. It is flat in shape. Whereas globe is spherical in shape. So map is a flat symbolic in which symbols are used to show the features. Map is a flat symbolic representation of the earth. Is it clear? A map is a flat symbolic representation of the earth. The word Map comes from the Latin word mappa, which means tablecloth or a napkin. The art of making map. The art. Those who draw the map to make the map is called as cartography. The art of making map is called as cartography. And the learning of map language. When we learn about in the map about the different features, it is called as map reading. The learning of map language is called as map reading, whereas the art of map is called as cartography. Next one is sketch. What is sketch? You students are using sketch pen to draw or to color the drawing. It is not that one. That is sketch pen. But here the sketch is to draw a rough drawing of a location. If we have to represent or to tell anyone about the location of a particular place, we either verbally explain or when we use a pen and a paper to show the location of a place to anyone by rough drawing. By using rough drawing, freehand, what the location of a place, it is called as a sketch. Here we do not use any type of measurement, no scale is used. So what is sketch? A sketch is a rough drawing. It is not drawn as per scale. It is not drawn on scale. We do not use any scale. What is sketch? A sketch is a rough drawing. A sketch is a rough drawing. It is not drawn as per scale. Clear? You can take an example. If you have to tell, here is the bank and a person is standing here. So how this person will reach to the bank? First he have to move to the straight, then move towards the left and just move about 100 meter and then move right and straight. By walking 50 steps, he will reach the bank. So with the help of a rough drawing, we can tell the location. It is called as a sketch. Whereas what is plan? A plan is a drawing showing the horizontal section of a small area or a building. It is drawn to a scale. In opposite, plan is a pre-decided location of a place. When we have to, or if the art, it is helpful especially for the architecture. When he is planning for a flat or a building, office, school, etc., he just draw the map in a planned way, where the different part or in which way different part of the land is used. So plan is pre-decided and is drawn by using a measurement. A scale is used. It is measured one. So a plan is a drawing showing the horizontal section of a small area or building. It is drawn as per scale. Is it clear? So today we learn the 4 definitions: globe, map, sketch and plan. This I had already given you in previous class to learn. Whether you have learned or not not knowing, but this term I have explained you very well and try to learn what I am explaining. So this is your homework. Learn the definitions only. The definitions and write in a rough copy. In next class, we will just come to know about what is the difference between all these. Difference between globe, map, sketch and plan. Till then, whatever the homework I am giving you, just side by side you learn and write in a rough copy. Have a good day. Thank you.